Hi, welcome back to Amazement Square. I'm Miss Ann, and I wanted to tell you about another one of our Think and Tink kits that we have available for purchase. Today, I'd like to tell you about the Science Investigation Kit. All of our Science Investigation Kit activities are based on STEM. Good ways to keep you occupied and help you learn some things. Inside each kit has the instruction booklet with all of the activities, the materials that you'll be using, and step-by-step instructions on how to do each of the projects. And each one of our kits also comes with our Scorpy comic at the back that's related to whatever the kit is. So let's take a look and see what's inside our Science Investigation Kit. Let's see. We've got some plant pots. There are 3 of them. And bags of potting soil. I'm pretty sure you're going to be planting something with this kit. Let's see. Oh, look. There are some bean seeds. And there are some wildflower seeds. It looks like quite a variety in there. And there's a measuring tape, a ruler that you can use to measure your plants as they grow. There's even a diagnostic chart here that you can keep track of each plant and week by week how tall it has grown. Oh, and look, there are even plant markers that you can write the name of the type of seed and stick them into your pot. Let's see what else. Oh my goodness, there is a compass in here, an actual compass that you can use if you go out on a hike that will point north, south, east, and west to help you find your way. I'll bet there's an experiment that you have to do that uses that also. There's also some metal shavings. I wonder what you would do with those. If you read the instructions, you'll find out. And a magnet wand. I'll bet you the magnet wand would make those metal shavings jump right off the table. And a whole bag with a bunch of different items in it that I think you have to experiment and try to determine which things are magnetic and which things aren't. There's even a really cool magnifying lens that you can use to examine things up close. So if you're at all interested in science and investigating, I think this would be the kit for you. If you click on the link below, it'll take you to our Amazement Square webpage where you can find all 4 of our Think and Tink kits, and you can order them online, and we have 3 different ways that you can get them. You could pick them up right here at the museum yourself. For a small fee, we can mail it to you, or we can also personally hand deliver it to you within a 10-mile radius of the museum. So if you're interested, go ahead and check out our website and see which kit you would like. Maybe you'll get all 4.